How to recover deleted photos from your Android device. If you've accidentally deleted a photo that you actually wanted to keep and you think it's lost forever, then no need to worry. I'm going to show you how you can recover that photo on your Android device. Okay, straight into it. So first, go to your gallery. Then I'm going to click on a photo that I want to keep, but I'm going to hit delete. And as you can see there, it doesn't say it's going to delete the photo, it says it's going to move it to the recycle bin. So click on that, it moves the image. Then if I go back to the gallery and I click on the three lines in the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see you can click on the recycle bin. Click on that button. And now here are the photos that I've deleted. As you can see, they stay in the recycle bin for 29 days. So there's some that I've deleted a week ago, and then this is the one that I deleted today that I actually want to keep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to long press on that photo to select it. And then at the bottom you have the option to either permanently delete the photo. Now once you click that, you will not be able to get the photo back. Or if I click on restore, it will restore the photo back to the original folder where it was deleted from. As you can see, there it is back with my other photos. And that's all it takes to recover deleted photos on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.